Come on.
You filming?
Yep, I'm gonna put this online.
I saw the other one you had online.
That was from last
videos
year.
are getting better.
Woo-hoo. Yep, I'm getting better.
You sure are.
Ooh.
They do a pretty good job with them.
Ah.
Oh, those I like those the best.
Yeah.
Agreed.
For New Year's, we're gonna have to.
Ooh.
I know which ones to get.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, nice.
Sweet.
Oh, I like that.
those.
Yeah.
I'd give anything to be at the top of the Tower of the Americas.
Oh, jeez, you should, Chris. You can just go to the back.
I've done that.
This is
I was
so
driving
gonna be
home
big
like
on
crazy that night
YouTube.
because I was so drunk I kept leaving my keys everywhere. And that was the one where he was more drunk than me. Got stumbled so they wouldn't let us in.
Ooh. I got that all
Go
on
back to
video.
3 separate bars in order to get my keys.
So you went to the top of the tower?
No. I watched it from Hemisphere Park. There we go, look.
Ooh.
Love those.
I'm glad I'm getting this all on video. Plus, for once I actually have storage on this phone. Oh, here we go. Oh.
Here we go.
Now this is what I call cool.
Remember last year we didn't even know they did this and when we were thinking we were like,
Oh.
ooh, that. Nice.
I got that on video.
You're gonna have to go through and edit it. All the dead space out.
I can do that.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Can you edit voices out?
What?
Can you edit like the talking out?
I probably can.
Oh, wow.
That's cool.
Whoa. I can probably
I like
improve.
those little spirals.
I can probably improve the color too.
That's what I was telling you. Remember when I was telling you in Utopia they had them like shapes?
Yeah.
See, once you upload it, you can delete it off your phone.
Yeah, that's what I always do. And you know what was actually taking up on my storage? Because on my Google Chrome I had over 100 tabs open. Now I only have up to 20 at the most. It's me you're talking about. I'm always doing something crazy.
I'm not gonna call you Bug anymore. I'm gonna call you Crazy Girl.
And people at school already call me insane. And in my defense, I am a little bit insane.
Oh,
You better hope
you.
you can take the voice out, or else you're gonna have to like stop the commentary. Oh, those people?
Yeah, right. Oh, those are pretty.
Oh, I like that.
I'm definitely gonna have to edit this.
That's beautiful.
Are they coming or what?
Also, Uncle Chris, can I charge my phone in your car? I'm down 10% battery.
You're down to what?
10% battery.
Do you have your charger?
Yep. Always bring your charger with you wherever you go. Plus, in school, we're allowed to charge our phones in class.
Of course, me and Maria, did I have my emergency charger with me? No. Did I have my plug-in? No. Did I record? No.
Matthew's pissing me off because I text him first and he's not responding.
Whoa! Woo! Oh, this is gonna be good footage. Awesome!
Gorgeous.
Whoa! Woo!
Awesome. They did a good job.
Now that's how it's done.
Yes, I remember we were leaving. Like, oh, I thought they were
Boy.
done.
I got 7 minutes of footage so far. And I can go up to 10 minutes.
I think they're done.
Good, because my arm's starting to get tired.
You got the spirit of it anyway.
Dad!